welcome back to Dee's Kitchen. So today I'm going to do a review on the Bella air fryer. So for this review I am going to air fry 4 chicken wings that I have here, and I am going to season my chicken wings with a little salt, a little pepper. I have some seasoning by Weber's called Kickin' Chicken, and a little garlic powder. Let's get started. So first off, I'm going to start off with my 4 chicken wings. As you can see, I cut the little winglet part off because the Bella air fryer that I have, as you can see, is not very big at all, so might have to do 2 wings at a time, but I'm gonna season this my salt, just a little salt. Turn them over, season this side with salt. Okay, a little pepper, a little black pepper. Turn it over. I apologize about the glare. A little Kickin' Chicken. Turn my chicken over. And a little onion powder. Now with the deep fryer, some do, but I don't use flour. It's just one of my preference. I just don't like it with flour. So now I have my deep fryer here, my air fryer. So I am going to turn it on. It says heat on. I'm going to turn it on 350. I don't know if you can see that. And I'm going to do the chicken. Let's try 10 minutes and see what 10 minutes does. No, let's do 15 minutes. So I'm just gonna place my chicken in here. So I got all 4 pieces in there. I'm just gonna place it in there. And because I turned it on before I placed the chicken in there, it automatically turned off. So that is a plus. So when I put the chicken in the pan and slid it back in there, it automatically came on. So that's a plus. So we'll see. It's on 15 minutes, so we'll see what it does. So we have 10 minutes left, so let's just check it halfway through. Okay, so it's cooking really good. So we're just gonna turn it over and let the other side cook. It smells really good. So just turn them over. gonna put them back in there and set our timer for 10 minutes. And we'll be back to check it in 10 minutes.
Bye.
So our 10 minutes is up. Look at our chicken. It's got a nice crisp to it. Nice and brown. I think I want to cook it for maybe another 8 minutes on the other side to get the other side nice and brown like that. So cook it on the other side for maybe another 8 minutes. And I'm going to turn it up to 375. The timer has stopped. Yes, our chicken is nice and golden brown. So now I'm just gonna check the chicken with the thermometer just to make sure it's done all the way through. You always stick it in the meaty part of the chicken, closest to the bone as you can get it. Let me use a pair of Tums. Let's see where we at. So it is well done. As you see, we're reading 202. It's 203 now. Let's check one more piece. $206. 207. So our chicken is well done. So our chicken is well done. Have a nice golden brown texture color to it, which I really like. So these are our wings. So overall, the Bella air fryer, the small version, is really great. I really love it. It cooked the chicken really well without the flour, you know, and the extra grease, which is really healthy. One thing that I did notice is that the tray that the chicken sat on is detach itself, and you actually see the grease that, you know, drip down in the drip pan without trying to make a mess of it. Let's see. So the grease, that's the grease that it actually caught, which is a lot more in here, a lot of sediment, as you can see that. So that's a really good plus. I like the fact that it cooked the chicken. I'm not gonna say necessarily cook the chicken and faster than it would if it was in the deep fryer, but it cooked the chicken, and it cooked the chicken really well, and it gave it a really good golden brown texture to it. Another thing that I really did like about the Bella's air fryer is that it's super easy to clean, quick and easy, no mess, like really easy to clean. You just wash it out, put the attachments back, put it back, and you're all good to go. I love it. Thanks, Bella. So for anyone that, you know, have questions about the air fryer, yes, I highly recommend it, especially for more of a healthier way to cook your food. For me, this size is a perfect size for me because I'm probably the only one in my family that wants to eat healthy. So this miniature size is like perfect for me. I don't think I would need one bigger. But for the ones who have like a bigger family or want to cook like a larger batch of chicken or, you know, pork chop or whatever you desire to cook in your air fryer, then, you know, you could purchase a larger one. But for us to review, I definitely give it 5 stars and a thumbs up. So kudos to Bella's. And I hope you guys enjoyed this review. And as always, thanks for watching Dee's Kitchen. Bye.